So, new box, new clothes. This box is from Jacksonville, Florida, Amazon.com. This is the Silverstone SG13 Black Edition. If I could find my knife, I'd be dangerous. So, this is the case I was talking about yesterday, in which I am going to rebuild the system into today. The audio from yesterday was a little bit loud because, well, I was stupid and did not check my audio settings before I started recording. Oh well. Here it is. Ow. So, possibly the smallest case I have ever seen. It's gonna be a tight fit. Alright guys, so as you guys can see from that, I'm hitting 156.5 frames per second. My lowest was 34.4, my highest 2994. So basically, this thing is a little gamer boy. Like dang, like that is some that's insane for this little itty bitty computer. I am going to go play CSGO and see what I actually get for an average, but going from that big boy, which was a great computer, down to this little itty bitty thing, which side by side, as you guys will see, is like insane.